Hey guys, hi from me and my foster cat. You're gonna go in with any heat protectant you like. Go ahead and get that all over your hair. Grab the top half and clip it to get it out of the way. And at this point, just go over your hair to dry it some more if you feel like it's still too wet. You can also just use a regular blow dryer, but I'm just using this because I already have it out. So once your hair looks like a poofy, humid mess, you're gonna want to start by just going through it so that your hair meshes well in there, in the bristles of the brush, and then twist it like so. Repeat this as many times as you need until it's fully dry. So that's gonna depend on your hair type and your hair thickness. My hair's it likes to stay wet for a while, so I end up having to usually go over it a couple of times. So twirling it away in that same direction, that's what keeps it trained to kind of hold its shape and last for a few days. All right, now that that side is done, bring all your hair forward and blow dry it all together. So you want to hold the curl at the end so that it really trains it. Perfect, now take it out and you know the drill, twirl it. All right, so now the same thing on the other side. Okay, now send it all to the back, twist it all up and clip it so it stays out of your way. And for the top section, you want to start by grabbing some hair from the front. So if you have bangs, that will include your bangs, and if you don't have bangs, that's totally fine. Just grab a little section from the front and that will end up framing your face beautifully. So, all right, we're gonna do the same thing here. Once you've done this a few times, it gets a lot easier because it's really repetitive. All right, so go ahead and blow dry it away from your face again. Perfect. You know the drill, twirl it and yeet it behind you. I like to do this near a window so that I have something to look at. It's a good time to also catch up on your shows, YouTube or whatever you like to watch. All right, we're almost done. Now bring them all together and give that whole section just a final blow through and twirl. Here my husband's telling me that the cat is being cute, so I stopped to go see. All right, back to it. We're gonna do the same thing to the side. We're almost done. Now you're gonna unclip the back of your head and you're gonna let all the sections that you finished get mixed together and then twirl them and clip them up. All right, final section. Twist it up and hold it there for a few seconds. Now release it gently and fluff it out. Now the most satisfying part. So release all of your hair and just shake it around. You can run your fingers through it, just fluff it up, and you're done. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please ask me in the comments. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe. I'm new here and it would mean so much to me. All right, thank you. I hope you're enjoying your day.